it's a very heart-to-heart conversation as a mom that I'm going to do with you guys, and how the CGP protest, जो Cockroach Janata Party का protest चल रहा है, if you think it's not affecting your life, it is. I'll tell you how in this whole video कि बहुत ही important protest है ये. It's not just about the NEET papers. It is much more than that. ये system rot हो चुका है, और इस system को rot होने में हम parents भी उस चीज़ को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. वी आर लेटिंग इट हैपन, एंड हाउ इट्स अफेक्टिंग आवर टॉडलर्स ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली मैंने एक बात सीखी कि हमारे स्कूल में ना जो टीचर्स हैं, दे आर नॉट क्वालिफाइड टू बी in the school. They are not, maybe they are MBA students, maybe they are journalists, maybe they are BCom honors, BCom pass, whatever course they have taken, but they have not taken nursery teaching or B.Ed. They are learning through the process, and they are getting their education through the process. Now what is happening with these kind of teachers and these kind of kids? These teachers are learning on the field by experience. They don't have any education. They are not able to apply that education on the field, and they are just learning through the process. तो आपका जो बच्चा है वो एक्सपेरिमेंट का पार्ट बन चुका है. अब जो है नीट का पेपर जो लीक हो रहे थे, वैसे ही टीचर ट्रेनिंग के भी, टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी के भी पेपर लीक हो चुके हैं. इनफैक्ट ये सिस्टम इतना ज़्यादा रॉट है कि अंदर से प्रॉक्सी लगवा के आप आराम से यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस टीचर्स जॉब. इनफैक्ट अंडर पेड इसलिए ही ये टीचर्स होती हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने B.Ed या फिर कोई भी टीचर की ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली होती, एंड द स्कूल्स हैव टू पे देम लेस. तो स्कूल जब लेस पे करते हैं, डेफिनेटली आप कहीं ना कहीं क्वालिटी में नीचे आते हो. कोई भी जब स्कूल ज्वाइन करने वाला होता है एज अ पेरेंट, तो वो कभी भी क्रॉस क्वेश्चन नहीं करता है कि टीचर की एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है. वो जो मुंह पे बोलती है हम ट्रस्ट करके मान लेते हैं. इवन द काउंसलर्स, आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट काउंसलर्स, क्योंकि हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने मैंडेटरी करा हुआ है कि आपको काउंसलर या साइकोलॉजिस्ट या थेरेपिस्ट आपको स्कूल में रखना है फॉर द किड्स. नाउ इफ दे आर ऑल्सो नॉट क्वालिफाइड, they will talk to your kid in a very amateur way, and they will not understand the real problem and not be able to help the kid. उनकी counseling could be aggressive, उनकी counseling could be waste of time, and you end up wasting your time, your kids' time, their energy, their traumatic experiences only increase with everything, और तुम आके फंस जाते हो. It's exactly like आप टीचर की ट्रेनिंग को इतना ईजी क्यों ले रहे हो? क्योंकि आप अपने बच्चे को दे रहे हो. जैसे आप अपनी बॉडी को किसी डॉक्टर के हवाले करते हो, और अगर वो डॉक्टर केपेबल इनफ नहीं है तो वो गलत ऑपरेशन करेगा, आपका गलत डायग्नोसिस करेगा. सेम वे टीचर्स अगर क्वालिफाइड नहीं है तो आपके बच्चे की टीचिंग और आपके बच्चे की एजुकेशन राइट वे में नहीं हो. जैसे एक अनक्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर जो या फिर ब्राइब दे के या फिर गलत तरीके से प्रॉक्सी करके आपको किसी तरीके से वो डॉक्टर बन जाता है, एंड देन यू से मेरे को बुखार हो रहा है 99, यू हैव एन इन्फेक्शन इनसाइड. ही इज जस्ट गिविंग यू, ही और शी इज जस्ट गिविंग यू ऊपर से एक फीवर की मेडिसिन. इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. द टीचर माइट बी treating the kid with love and everything, but she's not able to actually from the root change the whole thing. So what does a nursery training teacher do? Basically उनको पढ़ाया ये जाता है कि चाइल्ड को चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी की बेसिक्स पढ़ाई जाती हैं. दे आर टॉट हाउ टू हैंडल द मेल्टडाउन्स विदाउट अग्रेशन. दे आर एबल टू डू एज अप्रोप्रिएट डिसिप्लिन, नॉट पनिश योर किड. Even slightest of punishments can be avoided. I think it's not the most healthiest way to make kids understand before five years, and they know how to do an emergency response. You know how the cases recently have come up, like daycare cases, abuse of kids, and how kids are affecting other kids and how they're abusing other kids, and bullying and whatever things that have been going on. ये सब एक पार्ट है ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम, एंड हाउ दिस इकोसिस्टम इज फेलिंग completely because nobody is held accountable. What we as parents can do, we need to take care of some things. We have to ask the teacher's qualification without hesitating. Do they have an early childhood care and education diploma or NTT, which is the nursery teacher training? Don't just accept she's very experienced as a teacher. That's not the best thing to do, not the best thing to accept. Teacher to child ratio, basically 24 students in a very jam packed class is not good enough. Check if 2 other staff members are also there to help the teachers, because in school incidents mostly you'll see that there are no accompanying teachers, or teachers were busy in doing something else, and the kids were going through something. Ask about their training and supervision. Are there any training programs for the teachers that are going on? High staff turnover is an important point. If the staff keeps changing, it's going to be a red flag. And visit unannounced, go for surprise checks, and ask them whatever you want. If you want CCTV footage, you want to look at the live footage, if you want to go into the classroom, you can do that. I have personally benefited from that. I have got closure from one school, and I have literally been so anxious and so vulnerable because of the school, because of what was going on in the school, and how my kid was responding to all of it, and how he was getting tormented and tortured through that process of again trying to send him to school because okay, we have to condition to, and maybe one day it will work out, and the teachers must be trying, and trusting the teachers completely, and then seeing that the teachers are not good enough for the school or for your children, or it's not working out for you. Maybe the other kids are good enough for them, but yeah, so I've had a pretty bad experience with the school, and this is why I'm warning you guys. If you see this video, maybe you won't, maybe a lot of people won't, but whoever will benefit from this video. So give it a like if you are a parent like me and really worried about this whole ecosystem of the schools and how underpaid teachers are actually affecting the school environment in so many ways, because they're underqualified and because the school doesn't want to pay educated, qualified teachers. So your kids are not in the best hands, and teachers are not getting what they deserve to be, and they deserve to be respected. So that is also one case we'll discuss in some other video, that teachers should be given more leverage, more privilege, and more respect, which our system doesn't, definitely, and that is why all this happens. This is a loop.